Here we'll use our report tool. Reports will give us every line item of detail from the estimate. We'll receive 4 drop-downs over on the left-hand side with all of the WBS properties that are in our estimate. It will allow us to control how many levels of breakdown we would like to see. So here we'll select master format level 1 and 2, and then select submit. We'll receive a summary based on the values of our first property here. As we move to our subsequent pages, we'll have a level 1 and our level 2, and then our line items. Of course, this would have your logo, fonts, colors, and branding, not ours. The same report we could choose to view by our building breakout, and then all 3 levels of unit format. Once we select submit, we'll receive a summary based off our first property. Then we'll get our level 1, 2, 3, 4 breakdown, see line items, their quantity, unit cost, and total. If we needed to report on just a particular part of our estimate, each level will have a filter. So we could just select building 1 and 2, and now when we run our report, it won't include buildings 3 or 4. They're still in our estimate, we've just chosen not to report on.